Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, all of you. Yes, good
Good morning,
morning. So now, good, very good, children. Good morning, everyone. Now, switch off your microphone,
ma'am.
everyone.
बोलो the ma'am. Please wait for 2 minutes.
What happened, Vivan? Switch off your microphone, please.
Ayaz,
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Wait, ma'am. थोड़ा सा बोर्ड आगे करो. लेफ्ट से राइट करो मैम थोड़ा सा बोर्ड. Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay. Thank you. So today,
Ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am.
my dear.
Do the light up up. Light up up.
Okay. Now, is it clear to everyone?
Yes. Ma'am.
Okay. So, as you all know that we have started our chapter number 6, Junk Sailor, in which we were learning about the topic loan. Now, one child will switch on his microphone and tell me what is loan. What do you mean
Ma'am.
by the word loan? Yes.
Ma'am, loan means something like money which we take or
Hmm.
borrow from.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Uh, yes, tell me, next child.
the loan is to borrow something.
Borrow something or it's in the amount of
It's amount of. Ma'am,
loan. Yes.
loan is to borrow amount from.
Yes, loan is when we borrow money from someone is called the
Ma'am,
loan. If we
loan is
borrow,
to borrow something from someone.
yes, loan is the amount or a money. Please no hi in the chat box. Stop messaging in the chat box. So loan is the amount or a money borrowed from someone. And on that loan, the money lender or the bank charges some interest, right? So we were learning about the simple interest or the interest in that. That yesterday I told you that if you know that the principal amount is the amount which you exactly with the amount which you borrowed. For example, here the question is find the amount. You have to find the amount. Amount means in this and principal and interest is included. Both the things are included in this word amount. So the principal is, for example, if we take I have borrowed amount of rupees 860 means rupees 860 I borrowed from a bank. Then bank charges interest rupees
Excuse me, ma'am.
75. Yes.
Ma'am, your board is blur. The board is
Prachi ma'am.
blur. Ma'am, we have to write.
Prachi ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to write, ma'am.
Yes, children, you have to write along with me.
Then write in notebook, ma'am.
In notebook, I have instructed in the beginning also that whatever I'll write today on the board, you have to write in the notebook.
Ma'am, we have to write from question 1 or chapter 6 jump
Ev-
sailor.
Everything, whatever is there in the board.
So, chapter. Can you do the board a little up? Can you take the board a little up?
Now,
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. A little more up.
now it's clearly visible, children.
Okay. Ma'am, yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
my dear, tell me.
What is the meaning of interest?
Interest is the extra amount charged by the bank. If someone give you amount, right? If suppose if you want some 500, please
Ma'am, we
switch
have
off
to
your
write
microphone, everyone. Someone's microphone is on. And which child was this who was asking about the interest? Please tell your name.
Riddhi.
Yes, Riddhi. You were there in the last class yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please switch off your microphone now. Interest is the amount if somebody gives you, if you take some amount from a bank or a money lender, if you borrow something from them, so they will give you like this simply, they will charge some extra amount, right? Bank, if you take 500 from bank, so bank will charge some extra amount as a interest because they are giving their money to you. If bank or a money lender, the outside person, if you borrow from outside person or a bank, then they charge some extra amount, is called the interest, right? Now the principal is the amount borrowed, which is rupees 860, and the interest on this amount is rupees 75. Now what will be the total amount? The amount formula is amount equals to, when we are calculating amount, so amount will come before equals to, amount equals to principal
Ma'am, I
plus,
know.
good,
1015.
principal plus
935.
interest.
32.
Please
35.
switch off your microphone, children. I'm not asking right now.
935, ma'am.
Bilwan Patel.
Rehan Patel, switch off your microphone and don't speak in between until you are asked to. Dhairya Shah, switch off your microphone.
Migdad, how it is 2,935? It is 860 and the interest is 75. The extra amount which is charged by bank is 75. So what you are going to pay now after some time, after 3 months or the 6 months, how much amount you will return back to the bank? You will return back the principal amount which you borrowed, that is rupees 860 plus the amount which is the interest amount. When you add these both, the answer will be, yes, Laksha, very good. The answer will be rupees 9. Please write in the chat box, rupees 935. Let us
Rudra,
learn.
switch off your microphone.
Let us learn with the exam. See, with the real life. See, if I have taken 800, so how many 100 notes will be there in 860? Please write in the chat box how many hundreds will be in 860. 8. So I will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 860. How many 50 rupees I will take in now? 150 rupees note. Yes. And how many 10? Yes, 1 10 rupee note. 1 10 rupee note I will take, or 6 tens I will take. So 50 plus 110 is 60. So now I have 860. This amount I have taken this from this bank. This is my bank, which you can see here. Can you all see my bank?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this is the bank. I have taken from this bank rupees 860. But this bank told me after some time, when you return back to me 860, you have to pay some interest amount. I said, okay, I will pay some interest amount. Tell me what will be the interest. Then bank told me the interest will be 75 rupees. So, yes, my dear.
Ma'am, please take a house outside. I cannot see.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So bank told me that you have to pay rupee. Children, start writing along with this also.
Ma'am, we have to exactly write like this: principal
Yes.
plus interest, or
No,
rupees
exactly the way I have written on the board. So the bank told me that after some time that you will pay me 75 rupees as an interest also. So I will pay 50 plus 20 and 1 5 rupee coin also. But I don't have 5 rupee coin, so I'll take this. So it will be total 935. So when I total this, that 860 which I already borrowed, the amount taken as a loan from a bank, that also I will return, plus extra charges which bank I will pay to the bank, that will be 75, plus when I add 860 plus 75, it will be 935. So I hope you understood. Please write this.
Ma'am,
Yes, my dear.
ma'am, I can't understand that principal is 860 and interest is 75.
Yes.
The amount will be 930.
Amount will be the total amount including the principal plus interest.
Yeah, ma'am, I want to tell that then the rupees 935 will go where?
To the bank from whom we have taken, right? We have to return back, no? After some time, if I have taken this principal amount, this is the loan amount I have taken from bank, or I have taken from other person from whom I have taken, I have to return back. Yes or no? As we know that loan is the amount which we borrowed, but after some time the borrowed amount should be returned back to the same person or the bank. Are you clear now?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So now I'm going to erase this.
Yes, ma'am, you can erase. Ma'am, I have a doubt. Can I?
Yes, ask.
Ma'am, Nishika.
Yes, Nishika.
I wanted to ask you if I have a doubt.
Yes, yes.
Wait a minute, let her speak
Nishika.
first.
I also have a doubt.
Nishika, yes. Tell me.
I have a doubt. 1 lakh from the bank as a loan. So
You have taken 1 lakh as a loan, right?
yeah, so why do I have to give the interest to that? Why can't I just give it the loan only?
Nishika, I'm not getting your question clearly. Please speak clearly.
Means I'm asking, I have taken 1 lakh as a loan, but
Yes.
why do I need the interest? Why can't I give the money? 1 lakh not plus.
See, no one will give you their money like this simply. If you borrowed a money from someone, that person will charge some extra amount on that. Nobody will give you some money like this only, right?
But why? Then my question is, but why?
But why they can't give? Yes.
Yeah.
See, if I have 1 lakh rupees, right? Right? I am a money lender. I give money to every person. If I give 1 lakh rupees to another person, I will charge some extra amount. Because if I give 1 lakh rupees like this simply, then that person will not have a responsibility also to return back to me, right?
Yeah, but ma'am,
Yes.
if you have given me, but I will
Nishika, you write in the chat box. Your voice is not coming clearly, my dear.
Ma'am, Jahan Dalal.
Yes, Dhyan, tell me.
Ma'am, there are 2 Farzans in this class.
It's okay. You tell me what's your problem.
Ma'am, and why we have to give them money back?
If you have borrowed money from someone, will they give you money like this simply? You are their friend. If bank will give money to everyone, then what will be with the bank?
Ma'am, I have a question.
Wait. Let me clear with Dhyan Dalal. Yes, Dhyan.
There will be zero rupees in the bank. Then
Yes.
there will be 0 rupees in the bank.
Yes. Then there will be 0 rupees in the bank. If bank will give with money to everyone, right?
You are telling I will give you.
Children, if you ask one child at a time, then only I will answer.
Ma'am, I found the question in the
Nishika, switch off your mic first.
Ma'am, Manrajodia.
Wait, Manrajodia. I will come back to you. Yes, Nishika, your question is if you are taking money or if you are giving money. I got your
Ma'am,
answer. Yes.
yeah, my question is that see, I've taken it also and then I'm giving it 1 lakh also. So why should I give the interest? Why
See,
should
if
I
you
add
have
money?
taken a 1 lakh rupees from anyone, that person will not give you amount without charging the interest. This is a simple rule. Nobody will give you money without charging the interest.
Ma'am, Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, ma'am, I
Wait a
also have
minute,
a doubt.
Vihan.
Ma'am, Vivan Patel.
Wait a minute.
Ma'am, quiz.
There will be no quiz if you not pay attention in the class.
Ma'am,
Nishika, yesterday I
Ma'am,
explained this.
Manrajodia.
Yeah.
Yes, man, wait a minute.
Nishika, please listen and understand it carefully that if you borrow money from someone, that person or a bank will charge some extra amount is called the interest, which is compulsory that they will charge. No one will give their money without charging some extra amount.
Ma'am,
Now, now Man Rajodia will speak.
Ma'am,
Yes, Man.
you have written the 1 lakh, so we have to write down.
Oh, this was Nishika's query, so you are not going to write this.
Okay.
Next,
Ma'am,
tell
I have a
the
doubt.
and then only your query is
Ma'am,
going to be solved.
ma'am,
Vihan, wait a minute.
ma'am. Behind what to say, ma'am.
Vihan, wait
Ma'am,
a
there
minute.
is
Yes,
also.
Vihan Patel, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. If we don't give entrance to the bank, so what they will do?
Then bank will be added the interest, keep on adding the interest and will charge you more money. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
If you will not give interest on time to bank start charging more extra money because ultimately bank is going to take the interest from you. But if you will not give on time, that they are going to charge more interest on that amount. See, your time period is for 6 months. After the 6 months, you have to return back. If bank told you after the 6 months you have to pay me this, if you will not pay on time, then bank will charge more extra interest and will take. This is the punishment given by the bank.
Ma'am,
Yes, my dear. Next,
ma'am, I have a
Patel.
doubt. Darius Shah. Darius Shah. Ma'am, Riddhi.
Wait a minute, Vihan Patel. Yes. Yes, Vihan Patel.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I
Tell
am
me.
asking that if we are asking them for only 100 or 860 rupees, then why they give more interest? We can give them 860 back also.
But if the 860 is the principal amount which you borrowed.
No, ma'am, I am asking that if the bank we ask the bank for amount rupees 1000, so why we give more? We can give the 1000 back to them.
Yes, if you take this was the example only that if you have borrowed 860. But if you have borrowed 1000 rupees, then you have to borrow back to the 1000 rupees plus interest. If you borrowed 2000, then 2000 plus interest. It depends on how much you have taken the loan.
Ma'am, I am not asking that. I am asking that why we have to pay the interest also. We can only pay the principal
See,
amount.
this question was also that no one will give you amount without charging the extra amount. No one will give. They will charge some extra amount which is called the interest.
But we will give them the money amount that they gave us.
No, but they give us that they help you on time, right? When you were in need, they help you. Bank help you. They gave you. So if you will not give their money, see, everyone is here for earning the profit. So bank also here for earning the profit. That's why bank has started this facility to the customers. So bank here is to earn the profit. If bank will not earn the profit, then bank will be zero. If bank started helping to everyone, then bank amount will be zero. Clear? So that is why if I am here or I am a money lender, I want to start some business. So I will start by giving the money to the other persons. So this is also a profit to the money lenders, whether it is a person, whether it is a bank. So they will only help to the person when they will charge some extra amount. Without charging extra amount, they will not help. So this extra amount is the interest.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I can't hear you because some people are giving announcements, so I can't hear you.
Now I'm going to present you one story. You will better understand about this.
Ma'am, I can't understand. I have a doubt. Ma'am,
Yes, my dear. Tell me.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Tell your
Ma'am,
Children, one by one. Riddhi, you go first.
ma'am,
Ritu, please guide. Tell them to switch off their microphone.
Everyone switch off their microphone first.
ma'am, I am saying that I can.
Vihan Patel.
Ma'am, I can't
We-
hear you.
Vihan, as I said that if anyone will give you some amount, they are helping you in the time of need, they will charge some extra charges because they don't know you. They are not your friend, right? Bank is not your friend. But in spite of that also bank is helping. So if bank is helping, they are here in the society for earning the profit also and helping to the person also. So if bank is giving you some amount, they are definitely going to charge some extra amount, which is called the interest.
Ma'am, can I see the doubt? Ma'am,
Now I am,
Ma'am,
yes, next child.
Everyone switch off your microphone first. Riddhi, you go first.
Ma'am,
Riddhi,
Yes, Riddhi, tell me.
ma'am, if we had taken the rupees from the bank and
Yes,
a bank said to give interest, then we
yes.
say okay. But
Hmm.
if we don't give the rupees back, so what will happen?
That I'm going to show you the story, right? Next child.
Ma'am, if
Yes, Daresha, tell me.
Ma'am, I have
Like that if
ma'am,
Yes,
That is-
Daresha.
see the doubt.
yeah,
Vihan, switch off your microphone.
I'm doubt.
Only Daresha.
ma'am, I have a doubt like this that when we take the rupees from the money lender,
Hmm.
no ma'am, if I take loan from the bank
Yes.
and then when I have to return it, then
Hmm.
I take again the loan from the bank and I give the same money back to the bank.
Hmm.
It can happen like that.
Yes, it can go circulation. But first you have to return back whatever you have taken. First return back, then the bank will give you the next loan.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Ayush Singhania. Yes, speak.
ma'am, you said that.
Ma'am, we have to play quiz.
Yes, Ayush.
Ma'am, you said that. Ma'am, you said when if bank doesn't take interest, bank's money will be zero.
Yes.
But how? If they also take interest, then also zero now.
How? See, if they will start charging the interest and start, so that profit, see, you are also taking, there are some other persons also in the society, they are charging or taking some money from the bank.
Yes.
So bank also charging interest from them. You are not only the single person taking a loan. There are many person in the society, they take different loans. So bank charges different percentage of interest from them. This way, bank also earning a profit. If bank started distributing their amount to the persons, then what will be left with the bank? Right? Nothing will be left with the bank.
But they are not going to distribute. They will give it, then take it back when the
But
time
they see, if they are, if anyone help or giving us some amount to somebody, it is necessary they are going to, because they don't know, they are not having a surety. You, when you will grow big, you will learn that they are going to take some securities also on the behalf of taking giving you a loan. They will not simply, you will go in the bank and they will give you money. No, they are going to keep some security. This I am going to show you a video, so you will learn.
Ma'am, I can't hear you because some people are doing some announcement.
Okay, so now wait.
I have a doubt.
bank
Your doubt will be clear after this. Just watch this.
Ma'am, I am saying that I can't hear you because some people are doing announcement.
Which people are doing announcement, my dear Vihan?
Ma'am, about coronavirus.
Okay, you look here now.
Today we shall learn about simple
Ma'am, Prachi
Yes,
ma'am,
Renu
this
ma'am.
is visible?
Yes, ma'am, it's
And
being
just guide
visible.
me whether it is audible or not.
Yes, ma'am, it's being
interest.
audible also.
As we saw in the story, Kisan Singh borrowed money from Paisamal as he had shortfall of money. And for borrowing the money, he deposited his oxen to Paisamal. Later, Kisan Singh again took a loan from Paisamal.
Prachi ma'am, this is not visible.
Ma'am, it's visible. Who's this? Who's not getting to visible?
Can I out with the ma'am? I can't. Ma'am, volume is
Riddhi, children, first switch off your microphone.
volume is there.
Riddhi, turn on ma'am's presentation.
Ma'am, I can't hear it. Ma'am, I can't hear your presentation video.
Children, please go to Renu Punjabi present screen and pin it. You will able to see and you will able to hear it.
Ma'am, I have volume.
How many of you are? 3-4 children are there like this, right?
Ma'am, I want volume.
By
Log out and
depositing
log in
his
again.
wife's jewelry to him.
Ma'am,
Yes,
But-
my dear.
can you please show it from starting now? I
Okay. Okay.
Simple interest. As we saw in the story, Kisan Singh borrowed money from Paisamal as he had shortfall of money. And for borrowing the money, he deposited his oxen to Paisamal. Later, Kisan Singh again took a loan from Paisamal by depositing his wife's jewelry to him.
See,
But
these
that-
are the securities this he is keeping, then only he is giving his money.
It is not same as borrowing some money from a close friend. When you borrow some money from a friend, say for a ice cream, you have to return just what you have borrowed. Correct? But when people borrow money from money lenders or bank, they have to pay some extra money besides the money they borrowed. That extra money is the profit of the bank or the money lender. Paisamal used to lend money to people and charge them extra money, which was his profit. When people were unable to repay him, he took away their belongings. Thus, Paisamal became rich. But banks also charge extra money when we borrow money from bank as a loan. Then why did Aman give idea to go for bank loan instead of going to Paisamal? Because banks charges lesser extra money on the borrowed money than Paisamal. Then how much extra money do we have to pay when we borrow money? What does this depend on? How did Aman figure that bank loan was a better idea and saved his father from being looted by Paisamal? Let's try to understand that. What we borrow, that is, the borrowed amount, is called the principal or the borrowed sum. The money we have to pay extra is called interest. So more interest means you have to pay back more. Paisamal charged people with high interest. So people couldn't repay loans and hence he used to take away their belongings. Can interest be anything? No. Interest depends on how much you have borrowed and how long you will take to repay the loan. And one more thing, and that is interest rate. The interest rate tells you what you need to pay extra if you borrow 100 rupees for 1 year. It is the interest per 100. So we use percentage to express it. So interest rate of 12% means 12 rupees of interest on every 100 rupees in a year. We say it is like 12% interest per year.
So this way, the interest is being charged. Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So
Ma'am,
this way.
quiz.
Now,
Miss,
now I'm going to give you a quiz link in the chat box. This is the revision of operations. Operations. I'll clear it. Operations are addition, subtraction, which we have done. So I'm going to send you a link. In the chat box. Everyone log in fast.
Ma'am, I didn't got the link.
I'm sending, my dear. Link
Right
is
now
there in
also-
the, just
no, ma'am,
please,
it's not there.
please click in the chat box. Scroll
I
your
can't
chat
do it.
box.
Ma'am, just send it once again.
Scroll your chat box.
Yes, ma'am, now I got it.
Scroll your chat box, everyone.
I have to win this game. Renu, ma'am,
Yes.
I've entered the quiz. I've entered my name as Laman and it is showing that name already done.
No, my dear. You just enter with another name, no problem.
Uh,
Everyone can see my
Lamasha.
screen.
Ma'am, no, I can't.
Lama,
see
you
the
can
name.
write short form also and enter.
Ma'am, can you send the link one more time?
Please scroll your chat box.
Ma'am, by mistake I left the meeting.
Okay.
That's why.
I'll
Ma'am, now I have written my full name now. Then it is showing correct.
Okay. So, ma'am, my screen is visible.
Yes, Renu ma'am, it's visible.
Okay. Children, I'm going to start now. I'm going to start.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, my open not is opening.
So, please start entering. Please, fast.
ma'am, please link again. Because of network issue, I could not do.
Okay. Just check. Just check.
Plus 5 equals to 9. Plus 7
Please switch off your microphone. Switch off your mic.
How?
Very good, Yugbarya. Very good, Nishika, Ayanj. Children, I have noticed many of you just enter in the quiz. You are not attempting. Anushka, Ridhan, Anvi, Prisha, Rahil, Anya Mittal.
No, ma'am, I can't.
Swisha, Ridhi, please start attempting. Samriddhi. Very good, Nishika. Very good, Ayansh. Devyosha, please start attempting the quiz. Fazan, please start attempting. Rudra Mangofia. Anushka. Lamha,
Yes, ma'am.
please start attempting.
I will attempt the game.
Very good, Dhyan. Very good. Excellent. Yugbarya, very good. See, I'll give you 1 or 2 minutes more because you have a next class now. Very good. Excellent, Dhyan Dalal. Excellent. Good, Samriddhi. Good. Please start attempting, children. Very good.
अरे रुको क्या करना
Okay.
दे दो
Time up.
देखो कुकी दे दो
Time up. Please switch off your microphone. Time up. I'm going to end the game. First is Nishika, second is Yugbaria, third is Dhyan Dalal. Congratulations to the winners. And Yugbaria, Ayansh got 91%. Thank you, children. Thank you all.
Can we leave?
Yes.
Ma'am, please set the
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.